Welcome, everyone, to the first knowledge area, which is business analysis planning and monitoring. Here, we are going to discuss the overview of the knowledge area, its core concepts, and the related tasks at length. Let us start by looking at its concepts. To start with the core concepts of the knowledge area, first, let's explore what an approach means. An approach refers to a strategy or a way of tackling a problem or dealing with someone. For instance, when planning a change initiative, the approach could either be adaptive, which allows for flexibility and gradual evolution, or predictive, which involves a more structured and planned-out method. This leads us to the second concept, which is a method. A method is essentially a systematic process or the steps we take to carry out or implement a particular approach. An approach often becomes clearer when defined by a specific methodology, such as Six Sigma and Agile. For example, when dealing with a change initiative, we might employ agile methodologies such as Scrum or extreme programming. These methodologies offer frameworks that guide the process and help manage the project effectively. Moving on, a technique is our third key concept. It provides us with a practical and efficient way of doing something. Techniques are tools that help us execute methods more effectively. Some common examples of techniques include the use of UML diagrams and user stories, which help in visualizing and organizing information. Lastly, we have the concept of a plan. A plan is essentially a detailed course of action designed to achieve a specific goal or desired outcome. Planning sessions like brainstorming, prioritization, acts as a roadmap, guiding us through the process and ensuring that every initiative is aligned with its intended objectives. Therefore, every initiative, regardless of its nature, must have a well-thought-out plan to ensure its success. Planning for initiatives involves a detailed process of planning an approach, monitoring the progress consistently, and ensuring effective control throughout the duration of the project. When discussing business analysis, it's about thorough planning and vigilant monitoring. We begin with the plan, deciding on the most suitable method for implementing the desired change and outlining the various activities involved. We create a comprehensive schedule and assess potential risks, including assumptions and constraints that could impact the project. Plans are for the future, so they must be executed correctly with precision and care. We set detailed metrics like schedule adherence, effort expended, and defects encountered to track progress accurately. Monitoring might show deviations that need fixing, which could change the plan. This ongoing cycle of planning, monitoring, and controlling continues throughout the project, ensuring that objectives are met and adjustments are made as necessary to stay on course. The core concepts of business analysis, planning, and monitoring involves planning how to conduct business analysis activities, choosing the right approach and methodology, and ensuring effective governance. It also focuses on measuring and improving analysis performance. The outputs from this area guide and support other tasks as mentioned in the core concepts. Now, let's explore how these core ideas fit into this area. The first idea is change. The business analyst sets up the process for introducing and approving changes. Next is need. The analyst creates a method to examine changes. It's crucial to understand the reason for the change, the need, or the opportunities it presents. Then comes solution. The analyst identifies key performance measures to gauge the success of the solution. Following that is stakeholders. The analyst performs stakeholder analysis to ensure their needs and concerns are addressed. Then there's value. The analyst conducts performance evaluations to confirm that value is delivered to stakeholders. Lastly, context. The analyst ensures a full understanding of the context. This shows how core ideas are applied in business analysis, planning, and monitoring. There are 5 tasks to this knowledge area. It starts with plan business analysis approach, followed by plan stakeholder engagement, then plan business analysis governance, plan business analysis information management, and identify business analysis performance improvements. In subsequent videos, we are going to take up each of these tasks in detail. And we are also going to look at some of the case studies relating to these tasks. This brings us to the end of the chapter. Hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next. Thank you.